Hey Facebook friends, how you guys doing? Ready to see the fireworks display here at Fairview Park, Ohio. We got 1 minute to go. So ladies and gentlemen, sit tight. You're gonna see, oh, the lights are starting to go down. Ready? Oh, this is my jam. Till we can't no more. Take my hotel room. It's kind of dark, you guys, but we're gonna see them. Look how cool is that, everyone? Look at that. I told you I was gonna show you. Look right up there. Look at that. Oh, this is so awesome. How do you guys like it? This is a safe distance I could be close to the fireworks. Tell me how cool that is. What we saw this morning, this is what they're blowing off right now. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can watch. Look at that. Ready? Let's see if we can. Oh, look at that. Sorry, it's kind of shaky every time it's blowing off. Look at that. Let's watch it up here for a while. Oh, look at that. Watch this. Ready? Oh, you see that person in the back? Right there? Look at that. Those pretty colors. Look, let's follow it. There we go. Whoop. Please do me a favor, you friends, please share this with your friends and family. It's so awesome. I can feel the heat coming right off of them. just watch up here for a while. Oh. Look at those. They're all green. Watch this. Let's go. Whoa.